Hello guys, today's video is for inequality graphs or simply describing a region in inequalities. Our learning objectives in this video is to identify the inequalities that satisfy a shaded region using horizontal and vertical graphs. Most will also be able to use some simple diagonals. Some will be able to identify the equations of more complicated lines by using the y-intercept and then use these to work out the inequalities. So let's start. First we have a inequality x is less than or equal to 2. So we first use a line and we draw a line which is x is equal to 2. That is the line that is showing in this graph, and then we just look at the sign of inequality that is less than. So x is less than from here, so the shaded region will be apply here. So that's it, and we have drawn our first inequality graph. Let's take another example. In this example we have an inequality y is less than -5. So here is another thing, that if we have an equals to sign also, so the line or a region, so the line that is describing the region is a dotted line. It's a solid line. And if we don't have an equality sign, so that's there will be a dotted line. So in this case we will have not a dotted line, no, we will have not an equality sign, so that's it, this graph will be a dotted line. So first of all we draw a line which is equal to y is equal to -5. So that's the line we have a dotted line because we have not an equality sign, and that's we draw y is equal to -5 line. And then we just look at the inequality sign, that is less than, y is less than, so the region is below the line. That's it. And then on in this example we have two equations, y is less than -1 and another is x is less than equals to -6. So it's there are two variable, two inequations, and we first of all construct y is less than -1. It will be a dotted line because there is no equality sign. So y is less than -1, we draw y is equals to -1, that is this line. And then we draw x equals to -6, and this is a solid line because there is a equality sign. And then we take shaded region. So there is an important thing, we know that y is less than -1, so the region is there. Okay, and then we look at this, x is less than, so the region it will be in left side. So that's it, and this will be a region of common which is in common of both lines. So that will be a shaded region of this in these inequalities. Let's take another example. In this type of example we have a linear equality which is containing both y and x. First of all we construct the line by using trial and error method, and we put x values to get y. And so begin. First we put x equals to 0, so we have y equals to 3. When we put 1, y will be 4, and when we put 2, y will be 5. So construct the line, the roots are there, the points are there here, and the line is solid. As we know there is a equality sign. So and then we describe a region that y is less than x plus 3, so it will be this region. Okay, here we have another example, y is greater than 5 minus x. So first of all we draw the line by making trial and error method. When x is 0, y will be 5. When x is equals to 1, y will be 4, and then x is equals to 2, so the y will be 3. we construct the line, and then take we draw the region, shade the region that y is greater than 5 minus x, so the region will be this. So that's all in this video. We have learned about plotting graphs and of inequalities, and how the to satisfy two inequalities. Also we learn about that the inequation that containing two variables, and how their graphs are constructed. And so I hope you enjoy and get some knowledge from this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. So that's all, see you next time.